Welcome to Travel Hacks HQ. Today we have another excited video for you. Have you ever had something taken away by the TSA? It's a total bummer, right? Well, you're not alone. The TSA confiscates over 2 million items every year. 2 million. That's a staggering number when you think about it. Imagine all those items piled up in one place. It's like a mountain of lost treasures. Think about how much stuff that is. Phones, chargers, that weird travel toothpaste you love. Gone. It's nuts. And it's not just the big stuff. Even small things like nail clippers and tweezers can get taken away. It's frustrating, especially when you're just trying to get to your destination without any hassle. But it doesn't have to be this way. There are ways to avoid having your stuff confiscated. It's all about knowing the rules and being prepared. Trust me, a little preparation can go a long way. Today, I'm breaking down the TSA's carry-on rules so you can keep your stuff, travel stress-free, and maybe even sneak a few extra goodies past security. Let's do this. First, let's talk about liquids. The 311 rule is crucial. You can only bring liquids in containers of 3.4 ounces or less, and they all have to fit in a single quart-sized bag. This includes things like shampoo, conditioner, and even your favorite lotion. Make sure to pack these items in your carry-on bag in a way that's easy to access, so you can quickly pull them out during the security check. Next, let's talk about electronics. Laptops, tablets, and other large electronics need to be taken out of your bag and placed in a separate bin. This helps the TSA agents get a clear view of your items and speeds up the process. Smaller electronics like phones and chargers can stay in your bag, but make sure they're easy to access just in case. Finally, be mindful of prohibited items. Things like sharp objects, flammable items, and certain sporting goods are a no-go. If you're unsure about an item, check the TSA website before you pack. It's better to be safe than sorry. So there you have it. By following these simple tips, you can breeze through security without losing your stuff. Happy travels, everyone! Okay, so we all know the TSA is there to keep us safe, right? They're the unsung heroes of our travel experiences, making sure we get from point A to point B without any major hiccups. But let's be honest, sometimes it feels like their idea of security is just taking away all the good stuff. You know what I mean, right? But sometimes it feels like their idea of security is just taking away all the good stuff. Like you've packed your favorite snacks, a nice bottle of water, and maybe even a little something special for the flight. And then, bam, it's all gone. Confiscated. Like, seriously, who decided a 3.4-ounce bottle of shampoo was a threat to national security? I mean, come on, it's just shampoo. Like, seriously, who decided a 3.4-ounce bottle of shampoo was a threat to national security? And don't even get me started on the tiny toothpaste tubes. It's like they have a personal vendetta against hygiene products. But look, I get it. They have a job to do, and we have places to be. We're all just trying to get through the day without losing our minds. But look, I get it. They have a job to do, and we have places to be. And honestly, when you think about it, they're just trying to keep us safe. It's not like they enjoy taking away our stuff. They're just following the rules, doing what they're trained to do. So let's figure out how to make this whole airport security thing suck a little less. Maybe we can start by being a little more prepared. So let's figure out how to make this whole airport security thing suck a little less. First off, let's pack smart. Know the rules and pack accordingly. Keep your liquids in a clear quart-sized bag. Wear shoes that are easy to take off and put back on. And for the love of all that is good, don't pack anything that's going to set off the alarms. Trust me, it'll make your life and the lives of everyone around you so much easier. And who knows, maybe one day we'll all get through security with our sanity intact. Let's be real. Navigating TSA rules can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. 1 minute you're good, the next minute they're making you throw away your grandma's homemade apple butter. And don't even get me started on the liquids rule. Seriously, who decided that 3.4 ounces was the magic number? It's like they're trying to make us all buy those overpriced mini toiletries. All right, let's get down to brass tacks. Traveling can be stressful, but with a few hacks, you can make it a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newbie, these tips will help you navigate the system like a pro. The carry-on size limit is usually 22 inches by 14 inches by 9 inches. But it's always a good idea to double-check with your airline. Some airlines have slightly different dimensions, and you don't want to be caught off guard at the gate. Airlines can be sneaky about their rules, so make sure to read the fine print. And remember that liquids, gels, and aerosols, all that good stuff, have to be in containers 3.4 ounces or less. This rule is strictly enforced, so don't try to sneak in that full-size shampoo bottle. Invest in some good travel-sized containers. They are a lifesaver and can save you a lot of hassle at security. Make sure all your liquids fit in a single quart-sized bag. This bag needs to be clear and resealable. That's one bag per person, people. If you're traveling with family or friends, each person gets their own quart-sized bag. This can help distribute the load and make packing easier. Oh, and sharp objects? Leave those at home, unless you're cool with carrying around a plastic butter knife. Seriously though, even small items like nail clippers can be confiscated, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Another tip is to wear your heaviest clothing items on the plane. This can save space in your luggage and keep you warm in the often chilly airplane cabin. Think about layering up with jackets, sweaters, and even scarves. And don't forget about your electronics. Keep them easily accessible because you'll need to take them out during security checks. A dedicated electronics pouch can make this process smoother. Lastly, always have a backup plan. Flights can be delayed or canceled, so having a plan B can save you a lot of stress. Keep essential items like medications, a change of clothes, and important documents in your carry-on. With these tips, you'll be hacking the system and traveling like a pro in no time. Safe travels. Chapter 4. Become a TSA Ninja. Now for the good stuff, the hacks. First up, pack your bags strategically. Put all your liquids in one easy-to-reach spot so you can breeze through security. Second, wear your bulky items on the plane. That's right, rock that puffy jacket and those hiking boots. No one's judging. And finally, be nice to the TSA agents. A little kindness can go a long way. Chapter 5. The Golden Rules of TSA Survival. So, what have we learned today? First, the TSA is a necessary evil, but it doesn't have to ruin your entire trip. Second, knowing the rules is half the battle. Third, packing smart and being prepared can save you a lot of hassle. And finally, a little kindness goes a long way. Chapter 6. Share your TSA war stories. All right, now it's your turn, folks. What are your best TSA hacks and tips? What are the craziest things you've seen confiscated? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, while you're at it, check out my video on packing essentials for the ultimate travel experience. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Outrow stay fly, my friends. So there you have it. The TSA doesn't have to be the boss of you. You got this. Just remember to pack smart, be prepared, and don't even think about bringing that giant bottle of shampoo. And hey, if you do end up having a TSA horror story, at least you'll have a good story to tell. Keep it real, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.